Coverage you can count on begins with gusty winds and dry conditions raising fire danger across the CSRA. This comes as we are just hours away from New Year's celebrations. In fact, earlier today, high winds and very dry soil helped a brush fire spread quickly in North Augusta. Firefighters say it happened on Gustav Court when a firework ignited dry vegetation. The fire damaged a fence and threatened nearby homes. Officials are warning folks to use extreme caution or even avoid the fireworks altogether.
So on this brush fire here, there was someone shooting fireworks in the backyard, which ignited it. A small spark from a firework, dry conditions, windy conditions can cause a greater fire. We ask that you don't shoot fireworks, and if you do it, make sure you do it in a controlled environment so that you know that you're not going to spark a fire or set a brush fire that could cause damage to someone else's property.
Officials want to remind everyone, if you see a fire, don't hesitate to call and let experts stop that spread.